So, recently I've been looking for an entry-level gaming laptop. Like, when I see how the technology develops really quickly, it amazes me a lot. Like, that I compare a recent few, like, entry-level gaming laptops to my old entry-level gaming laptop as well. And I found out that the difference was really, really high. Like, I did not expect that, and I don't really think I will get a new entry level gaming laptop until this happened. Yeah, as it looks, my laptop literally broke as soon as the college started. It was like the second day of the college. I was really, really devastated and desperate at the time. Until a week later, I finally decided to actually buy a new laptop. And then with a budget around 700 to 800 bucks, I couldn't find the exact one I really want. It feels like all of them are kind of overpriced. Until my friend recommended me a laptop which is around the budget, but it's kind of overkill. I decided to look around at the local online store and I finally found the exact one I needed. It's HP Pavilion Gaming 15, one of the greatest entry level gaming laptop. Alright, there's like 2 or 3 versions of this brand, but the one I bought has the specifications of Ryzen 5 5600H with the VGA or graphics card of GTX 1650 Mobile, and I had a 512GB and 2 NVMe SSD and RAM 16GB built-in dual channel. The display itself has an IPS panel with a size of 15.6-inch Full HD resolution. The brightness level is at 250 nits, a refresh rate of 144Hz, and an anti-glare screen so it won't reflect so much light outside the screen itself. On the right side of the laptop, we have HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 1, an Ethernet port, and then USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1, an audio combo jack, and an SD card reader. On the left side of the laptop, we have a charging port and a USB 2.0 that supports HP Sleep in Charge. Now let's get into the gaming test. My experience with this laptop that it's quite stable during heavy load and the cooling system made the surface of the keyboard isn't as hot as my old laptop does. And for the first game, I tried Valorant at low mid settings and I'm averaging about 144 to 212, but I capped the FPS to 144 recently just to have lower CPU temperature and just basically lower watt usage. It actually doesn't change much when I go at a full high graphics since it's a CPU based game. It averages around 144 to 180. And then when it comes to Overwatch, when I play on the highest settings, it goes around 40 to 70 FPS, and when I go out low, it's around 120 to 160 FPS. Alright, here goes my last thoughts about this laptop. Like, obviously, it's very damn good for an HP product as well, and as my friend said, it's overkill, but my thoughts, it's not that overkill. Like, actually, it's not that overkill, but it's still really worth it to buy, especially with around this range. It's really a good entry level gaming laptop. Like, I really cannot say anything. Like, every single feature that this laptop gave to me is very like worth the price. The price to performance is really good, and if I should you recommend me to buy this, if you have the budget around the same for me right now, I would really recommend you to buy this. And so far, this is going to be the end of the video. So I feel like I'm really sorry because I've never uploaded like for a real long time. So see you guys in a few months, I guess.